Hello everyone. We are going to discuss the chapter Lines and Angles. In the live session we already discussed about the introduction of the chapter and the parallel lines, the various types of angles. We already discussed that we are going to use in this chapter. So now we are going to start the problems from NCERT exercise 6.1. This is the first question that I have taken. The first question in the NCERT, it is given here that this is the question here in figure which is given by side. Lines AB and CD intersect at O and the sum of two angles is given 70 degree and BOD is 40 degree, and find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Here I have written everything, the figure also, and given the sum of two angles. Here it is given angle AOC, the sum of this angle, and angle BOE, that is BOE. The sum of these two angles is given here 70 degree. And angle BOD, this angle is given here 40 degree. Now what we have to find? Angle BOE. So first is BOE. We are having BOE here, but along with the sum of AOC. The sum of these two angles is given 70. And here is angle BOD is given 40 degree. So first we will see there the relation, because in question it is given that AB and CD intersect each other at O. So these are two intersecting lines. So in the lab session we will discuss that if there are two intersecting lines, then their vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle AOC and angle BOD. AOC is equals to BOD. These two are the vertically opposite. So angle AOC is equals to 40 degree. The sum of two angles AOC and BOE is given 70. AOC we already find here 40 degree. So 40 plus BOE is 70. So the value of angle BOE is 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. So the first answer we got here, angle BOE is equals to 30 degree. Now second thing, we have to find reflex angle COE. For this, first we will find simple angle COE. So we will see here angle COE is given. How can we find this? So in the figure we can see here angle AOC plus angle BOE plus third angle, that is angle COE. If we see this, all the three angles are on a straight line, so their sum is equals to 180 degree. We already discussed this. AOC plus BOE plus COE is 180 degree. AOC plus BOE, that is given here 70 degree. So angle COE we will find here 180 degree. So angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Now reflex angle COE is equals 360 degree minus COE, because COE, the reflex angle, is the complete angle. This one, this is reflex angle. So if we find here angle COE and then subtract the value of COE from 360, we will get the reflex of angle COE. This is 360 minus 110. It is 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So we will get here reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. So this is the solution of the first question. Now I am going to take the second question also. This is given here, the second question in figure. By side it is given line XY. This is given line XY and MN. XY and MN intersect at O point. If POY is equals 90 degree and A and B ratio is given, that is 2:3, we have to find the value of C. So I have drawn the figure here. This is given, this angle is given 90 degree, A and B. So first we will write here given XY and MN, both are intersecting line, intersects at O, and POY is given 90 degree and the ratio of A and B is given 2:3. So we have to find angle C. So first we will see there POY is given 90 degree and POY plus POX is equals to 180. The reason is that linear pair. Two angles will make the linear pair. POY is given 90, POX is equals to 180. So what is the value of px? Again that is 180. So ratio is given. We can find it by ratio also or by multiplying the ratio with some variable. So a is equals to, we'll let here, because the ratio is given 2:3, so let it is 2x. X is any variable to remove the ratio. And b is equals to 3x. We will take on here. So POX, from the figure we have POX is equals to a plus b. One relation we have found here, that POX is equals to 90. Second we are taking the relation of POX from the figure. So POX is equals to a plus b. So a plus b is equals to POX. A is 2x, b is 3x, and POX is here 90 degree. So 5x is equals to 90. So we will divide this, we'll get here 18 degree. So what is the value of a? No need to find value of a, because we have to find c, and we are going to take the relation b plus c is equals to 180, again linear pair. So if you will not find a, then it's okay. B is equals to 3x. So 3 multiply x is 18, 18 3 is a 54. So b plus c is equals to 180 degree. So here we will find 180. 54 plus c is equals to 180. C is equals to 180 minus 54, that is equals to 126. 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 5 2, and here is 126 degree. There are so many methods to find this kind of questions. We can find also here the vertically opposite of a plus c. So 90 plus 36, that time we have to find 36 if we are using the vertically opposite relation. So this question, there is a more than one method can be there. So you can apply which is easy or convenient to, you can apply that method. Now the next question is there. This is the question number 5 in the book, that is given here in figure it is given here. POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray lying on between rays OP and OR. Then we have to prove that angle ROS is equals to, ROS is given, ROS is equals to half of QOS. This is given QOS minus angle POS. So the figure is here, I have drawn here. This is given. So given is what? POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray in between OP and OR. It is given here. So we will let here with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another so many method. Once again I am saying so many methods are there. So one of these. So it is given here. We will let this angle is equals 1. This angle is 3. And this whole angle is 2. And this angle is 4. That is given in the book 90 degree. So what is the solution here? So we can see here OR, this OR is perpendicular to PQ. So angle 1 plus 3 is equals to angle 4. In the previous question also we have discussed that if this is 90, this one also be 90. So these angles are equal. So angle 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, because 4 is 90. So angle 1 plus 3, the sum of 1 and 3 will also be 90. So each 90 degree. This is, we will let here first equation. Now from the figure we will see there, if we want to find angle 1 regarding 2 and 4, so we can write angle 1 is equals to angle 2 minus angle 4. Angle 2 minus angle 4. This we have taken from equation first. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2 minus the value of angle 4 we will take from equation 1 and will put here angle 1 plus 3. Now open the bracket, this sign will change, becomes minus. So minus 1 transpose to left side becomes plus, 2 minus 3. Twice of 1 is equals to angle 2 minus angle 3. So twice of angle 1, we will transpose this to this side, right side, comes in denominator. Angle 1 half of angle 2 minus angle 3, or angle 2. What was angle 2? Angle 2 was this one. This was our angle 2. Angle 2 is given here. What is the name? SOQ. So, or POS minus, this is angle 3. So what is the angle 3 here? This is POS. So this is our angle POS. And what is angle 1? Angle 1 is equals to ROS. So this we have taken. Two relations we will use. Angle 1 plus 3 is equals to angle 4. Second relation, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 minus angle 4. Then with the help of these two equations, we can solve the question. Now we will take question number 6 of the same exercise. So question number 6 is given here. Figure is not given. We will draw it ourselves. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree. The question is here, angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree. And XY is produced to P. X is written at first place and Y is written as second place. So we will start to produce it from X to Y. So from X to Y, we will produce to this side. So X to Y, it will produce till point P. Now it is given, draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. It is given ZYP. So OQ bisect angle ZYP. We have to find XYQ and angle QYP. So this is given here. Given XYZ is 64 degree and we have to find angle XYQ. This is X, Y and Q, and reflex angle QYP. So it is given here that ray QY bisects angle ZYP. So what we will let here that ZYQ is equals to QYP. Suppose this is angle A and both will be equal because it is a bisector. QY is a bisector of angle ZYP. So A plus 64. It is given A plus 64 is equals to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. So 2A is plus 64, 180 degree. 2A is equals to 180 minus 64. 2A is equals to, we will subtract 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 6, 1, 116 degree. So A is equals to 116 upon 2, that is 58 degree. This is the value of A. So first we have to find angle XYQ. So XYQ is the sum of two angles, A and 64. So this is A plus 64. A is 58 and 64 is already given. So 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 122 degree. Now we have to find reflex QYP. So QYP is also same as A and the value of A is 58. So what is the reflex of QYP? Reflex of QYP is 360 minus simple angle QYP. So 360 minus 58, that is 302. So both the angles are here. So these are the some problems of exercise 6.1. So now you have to complete exercise 6.1 in notebook and including the examples. Then in the next video we will take the problems of exercise 6.2. If you have any problem from this exercise, you can send me the queries. Thank you guys.